baby.
Donut.
Go.
Donuts.
Donuts, coffee.
Heading to the Highland Bowl. Heading to the Highland Bowl. Gonna hit a double black, right? It's a double black.
We're gonna hike.
Hike
You
up
gotta
there.
hike like 40 minutes to the top, and then it's a double black all the way down.
Actually, we try and catch the snowcat.
Yeah.
I don't know.
If we can.
Should be interesting, to say the least. All right, boys. This is where we become men. Level up.
Making our way downtown, walking fast, about to bomb the Highlands Bowl. It's got moguls, and someone's scared. We might all die right now, so I.
We're gonna hike it.
Hey, push. We're getting to the top right now. Go. Could be full summit. I think that's gonna be a very I'm so proud of it.
Sent it off the summit. Not quite sure where I am. Don't know where anyone else is. But man, this is beautiful. Like, look at that. Yeah, I have no idea where I'm at. I have no idea what's in front. I'm just trying to chill by trees because I know that I can see them. I'm doing great. Legs are burning, but I know I'll be fine. Just one cut at a time. So when Sam, Alec, and Gabe see this, I wonder what they're doing. made it.
Where'd you end up going down?
I have no idea.
We ended up on a pretty big. We ended up on G4 somehow.
I was at the boundary area basically the whole time.
Okay.
Finally, kind of the boundary.
Yeah, that shit was gnarly.
They did it. Bro, I cannot believe it. You are a savage.
Let's go! I'm ready! What about you? Come on, Pittsburgh! That'll be my highlight reel.
Rip Ben Roth. That was for Big Ben.
That's for Big Ben. Thanks for the 20 years of just constant W season, man. We're Pittsburgh. Let's get back at it. We're Super Bowl team. Come on! Mike Tomlin, you got this! I love you, dog. Keep up a good team. Let's have a good next season.
And now we got the giblet.
Yep, that was something else. I have never had my legs burn that hard for that long, willingly, ever. But it was worth it.
All the way up there. You can't even see the top. All the way. Dude, I'm proud of all of us.
Let's go.
Sobriety, baby!
We said, hey, maybe we go to Snowmass 3 days, Joey said. I just want to do Snowmass for 3 days.
Dude, I'm beyond happy we did that. Like, all right, so I got some chili, sweet potato fries.
Set it up over there.
Chicken tenders, more chili. What Gabe got?
Chicken tendies, cheeseburger, and fries.
How much was that? $20 cheeseburger he paid for. I got me a hot dog, damn good hot dog. Get the pickle to Joe, some french fries.
Yeah.
If I don't have a 500-pound squat after this trip, I'm gonna be pissed.
I can't feel my legs. My leg. Shut up, you're gonna scare people.
We did it.
We did it, man.
We are alive. We hit our last run, and now we're taking off our gear. We're going to check out some shops. Nothing too exciting, but
You know what, boys? There's no one I'd rather do it with.
yeah,
For real.
hell of a trip.
Y'all are some
No
legends.
major injuries.
No
Maybe-
cute. I'll tell you
Okay.
what, nominated VIP of the trip right here. Alec, fucking dirty slope shredding Mazer,
Dude,
took on the double black famous Highland Bowl.
no practice.
No practice run, nothing.
Easy.
The man's a legend.
I ate that mountain for breakfast, bro. What you mean? I didn't fall at all or almost die? Yeah, so no major injuries except a little bit of Joey's pride.
I think all of us a little bit.
All in all, great trip.
Yeah.
It's not done yet. We got to make the trek home. So
Yeah, 16 hours. We're thinking we might just drive straight through tonight because I have to drive another 3 hours. So does Alec. So
I mean, some legendary shit, boys. Straight
Oh.
through to the slope, straight off the slope, straight home. That's a grind.
this is how you do it, people. No
There's
planning.
no breaks. There's no shortcuts. Straight to it.
Right back
Love
at
you,
it.
boys.
All right. Till next time.